Hello dear learners, I am Dr. Shubhra Bhatia from Department of Commerce. In the previous videos, we learnt about the concept of risk and the basics of insurance. In the present video, we will be talking about group insurance and health insurance. Before we start, let me tell you about the contents of the video. In the present video, I will be giving you an introduction. I will be talking about what is health insurance, what is group insurance, what are the features of group insurance, what are the benefits of group insurance, and the factors that affect group insurance premium. Let's start with the introduction. Learners, healthcare expenses are increasing at a rate higher than medical inflation, and that is why it is must for everyone to have a health insurance cover which not only helps you to save your emergency funds and saving of lifetime in case of any medical emergency, but also supports you to deal with the rising medical costs. Experts believe that a health insurance policy must be a part of your financial planning, and it should be purchased early when you are young, when you are responsible, to stay safe and to stay secured. Investing in health insurance plan at an early age also provides other advantages such as better sum insurance coverage, lower premium rates, no medical tests, and so on. Learners, let me tell you, an average household is thought to spend about 10% of its monthly income on health care. In India, where there is no national social insurance, each person is responsible for taking care of themselves and their families. A protracted illness or incapacity might destroy all the preparations and may finish the family finances. It is very disappointing that despite the value of health insurance, so far in India, the health insurance policy is being majorly purchased by the families and the individuals who can afford to pay the medical bills. However, the Indian government is making every effort to get the citizens to purchase health insurance, and companies that specialize in providing health insurance are being encouraged to do so. Let me tell you that the health insurance coverage may also be issued by life insurance firms. Alright, so let's understand what is health insurance. An assurance which provides immediate financial help during medical emergencies is called health insurance. It's a contract between a policyholder and the insurance company which covers medical expenses that might occur due to illness, injury, or accident. If you have a health insurance policy, then some or all the medical expenses will be borne by the insurance company, against which you are required to pay a certain amount which we call premium. Health insurance actually aims to provide a 360-degree and an all-round coverage for any illness, accident, or injury. So, an individual can avail such a policy against monthly or annual premium payments for a specified tenure, and during this period, if an insured meets with an accident or is diagnosed with a severe ailment, the expenses incurred for treatment purposes are borne by the insurance provider. Also, you can enjoy several add-on benefits extended with health insurance policies. Coming to the next slide, there are two ways by which the insurance company compensate for the medical expenses. The first is the cashless treatment and the second is the reimbursement. So, what is cashless treatment? Here, the policyholder is not supposed to pay anything to the network hospital because the insurance company pays the hospital directly. The settlement of bills is done between the insurance company and the hospital and without the need for any cash payment by the policyholder. The second is reimbursement. Here, the policyholder is supposed to settle their medical expenses first and later on ask for the reimbursement from the insurance company. Upon assessment of the bills, the insurance company reimburses the expenses that policyholder has incurred on the basis of the sum assured limit. The reimbursement mechanism comes into the picture if the insured is admitted to a non-network, or you can say a non-affiliated hospital in case of an emergency or otherwise. After health insurance, let's understand what is group insurance. So, group insurance is a type of insurance plan that covers a number of people in the same contract. Such a plan provides the same level of insurance coverage to all the members of a group, irrespective of their age, their gender, their occupation or socio-economic status. Group insurance provides standard coverage to a group of people at a very competitive premium rates. Irrespective of the number of people in the group insurance provides coverage to all the members under the same plan. The admin of the group gets a master policy in the name of the group. But one important point here is that a member of the group is covered as long as he or she is a part of the group. The next slide talks about the features of group insurance. So, let's see what are the features. The first feature is the coverage for a group. So, group insurance provides standard coverage to a group of people at very competitive premium rates, and regardless of the number of people, it ensures that all the members receive coverage under the same plan. The second is the master policy. So, the administrator of the group obtains the master policy in the name of the group. This policy covers all the members as long as they remain part of the group. The third feature is that it's beneficial for the employers. So, the employers which offer group insurance, group health insurance to their employees can benefit from tax advantages. The fourth feature talks about the variety of plans. As you can see on the slide, there are 4 varieties, which are group health insurance, group term life insurance, group personal accident insurance and the group travel insurance. Let's see what are these. So, group health insurance provides coverage for medical expenses up to a specified sum insured, which is given in the policy, and it extends coverage to the dependents of the employees like spouse, children, parents and so on. The second is group term life insurance, which offers coverage in the event of an employee's death only. The third is group personal accident insurance, which covers medical expenses resulting from accidents causing disablement or death. And the fourth is group travel insurance, which provides coverage for losses or damages during travel. Dear learners, remember, group insurance is economical compared to the individual policies, and it follows a standardized approach for all the members. Coming to the next slide, which talks about the benefits of group insurance. So, there are several benefits, first of which is the comprehensive insurance cover. Let me tell you about that. Almost all group insurance plans available in India offer automatic insurance cover for members of the group as long as they remain part of it. It proves to be useful for those people who cannot afford to purchase individual insurance policies. However, the point to be noted here again is that these insurance policies cease to exist once the member leaves the group. The second benefit is low premium. The premium rates, as I told you, in a group insurance scheme, it's much lower as compared to the individual plans, since the risk is distributed evenly over the entire group. The third benefit is the ease of payment. Although group cover is not available as free of cost, the premium is deducted from the salary of the employees which are covered under the scheme. So, there is no hassle of payment or missing the due date. The next benefit is the tax benefit. As I told you, the employer gets tax benefits on a group policy which is offered to its employees, and all the payments made by the employer towards the group insurance policy will be considered as business expenses, and it will not be taken as a part of the profits for calculating the tax. So, the tax benefits are also available if the policies are offered to a non-professional group. The next benefit is the professional expertise and asset management. These group insurance schemes, they deal with gratuity, they deal with annuity, and they are managed by the experienced and professional experts of the insurance company. Therefore, group insurance offers greater returns to the members covered under the policy. The last benefit here is the rider premiums or the rider options. So, group insurance coverage can be expanded by adding riders at a very nominal premium. Like for example, the riders like critical illness and personal accident, they can be attached to a main group insurance scheme to widen the coverage. Coming to the factors that affect group insurance premium, the first factor that affects the premium of a group insurance policy is the size of the group. So, group insurance premiums can be affected by the size of a group. This means that larger the group, the lower will be the premium. The next factor is the average age of the group. This also affects the premium. If the average age is low, then the premium obviously will be lower as well. The next factor is the nature of job performed by the group members. So, the workers doing high risk jobs such as factory workers, airline staff, they will have to pay higher premium. The next factor is the location. So, an informal group like you can say a housing society located in a place or in an area which is calamity prone will be considered at high risk and will have to pay higher premiums. The next factor is the claim history of the group admin. So, the claim history of the employer and the group will also affect the premium in the sense that the higher the previous claim ratio, the higher will be the renewal premium. And the last is the add-ons, if any. So, if there are any further riders which are added, then there would be more premium and vice versa. So, learners, with this we have completed the concept of health insurance and group insurance. The bottom line here is the group health insurance is an attractive benefit for the employees who would otherwise not be able to afford the individual health insurance. In our further videos, we will delve more into the further topics of insurance. Thank you.